So, just walking through here. We're just received one of our newer series machines, the 650s and the 625s, full CNC. You can see Alex is here. He's gonna just walk us through quickly.
The new 625 guys, almost all the same stuff as the regular
machines, the 600s from before.
650s.
650s.
Yep.
Bigger touch screen that we have now.
This one only has extra buffing unit, not the hot air, so we've got the extra.
So we can add either or. It's optional, either neither one of them or either or. Has everything CNC, the fence, right, coming through, strip feed magazines, pre-mill, IR lamp, pressure zone, full CNC again, your end trimming, your top and bottom full profile with the multi-profile knives, coming into the corner rounding, again, full CNC. Over here, the profile scraping, again with the multi-profile knife, the top and bottom. One of our newest features now also is a full CNC glue scraper. The first one in the market actually, and nobody else has one. Fravol actually has the full patent on it, and then we're gonna go to the buffet. Let's put a part through.
Yes, sir.
See what we got going here.
Watch your fingers.
So pretty simple, you come up, we're running at 10 meters a minute.
Exactly, we do not want corner rounding because we are passing our first side.
16mm panel, the glue's at temperature, you're using polyolefin.
Good to go.
There we go, put her in. Coming across. Good. And there we go. Nice, clean. You have all the reapy liquids.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.